First things first, moisturize your face. So for the red liner, I use this Kestrel, whatever, ni brush flani nili chop so that it fits my liking and it does a good job. I'm not that great of an artist, so using the Huda Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade The Queen, I'm going to do what I did on this eye. This is the eye, and you are going to watch. And it's okay if you mess on the inside, because we literally are going to cover it up. So then taking the same lipstick, I'll just go all over my lid with it and then spread it too, just to fill it up, in short. Then taking the Huda Star Girl palette, I'm just going to take this red and I am going to put that all over my lid to set it. So I went ahead and did my foundation off camera just because I have a new video coming up for my new updated foundation routine, and it's bomb as. Anyway, for lashes that I got from the 25th Hive, they are the Fab lashes, I think in the style Remy hair, Sijui, I am guessing, and they fit perfectly. They make a glue. Watch as it chill hapo kiasi. So I've lined my lips with just a normal brown pencil, and I am confused between Free Spirit and Fearless. Free Spirit it is. So this is the finished look. I know you're proud of me as much as I am proud of myself, and I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Thank you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.